In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete folders on a MacBook. So the first way and the most easiest one is you just have to select something and you want to right click on it and then move to the trash, alright? So that's the first way how you can delete something, and now I'm going to show you the faster way, which is by using shortcut. So let's say I'm going to select all of those three things. I'm going to press Command and Delete on keyboard, and it's going to move automatically all three things to trash can. And if you want to open trash can, you can open it from here. And now if you want to clean the trash can, you can right click on trash can and then just click on empty trash again, and this is going to remove all of those things permanently. Alright, so this was a quick video how you can delete folders, anything on your Mac. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.